Bucket Management in the application. In the left sidebar menu, click on Buckets. Click on the Add Bucket button. Enter the height and diameter of the bucket. The application will automatically calculate the approximate volume. Click on Save Bucket to register the new bucket. Bulk bucket registration. If you have multiple buckets to register at once, click on the Add Multiple Buckets button. Indicate the number of buckets you have. Enter the size and diameter. Click on the Add Buckets button to register the buckets in bulk. Editing and identifying buckets. If you need to edit or deactivate a bucket, you can do so easily. When a bucket is deactivated, it will appear as inactive. You can reactivate it whenever necessary. Click to view the bucket's QR code, which will identify it throughout the entire mushroom production process. You can also download the QR code.